have change. You guys, there is no bike. Guys, it's been long I came outside, like and I'm more of an indoor girl. I just got a bike. Let me go pick up some stuff. I don't want that one. Yes, no. I know she was ready for this one. Well, no, there's a country. No boy. So already like this. Give me okra. How you say? 500. Which one be 500 naira? That's in 500 naira. Which one be 1,000? $1,000 won't cost small. Pujara, Pufisi. Thank you. Hey guys, I just got back. Like, I just rushed. I didn't go with my baby. I left her at home. So I just rushed. Kish mommy. I quickly went to the market to pick some few things, and I rushed back. Okay, because my husband wanted to step out, so I was very, very snappy about the things that I was buying. So I just got back, and do you guys know that when I'm going out, my daughter, and when my husband is around, like when I'm going out, my daughter is not bothered. Like she doesn't care. She doesn't care when I'm going out. Like, not that she doesn't care really, but you know, all these things that children does, like when their mother is going out, they'll be crying. It's not for my daughter, as long as her dad is at home. Right now that I was coming back, my husband was about leaving. She was crying. I just came back. My husband was leaving. She was crying. Can you imagine? So I think it's mostly the girls and their dad. I think it's common with them. So I just want to quickly, sort out what I bought, and I'll be making Ofada sauce for the very first time. So we'll see how that will go, and I'll be making soup as well. So yeah, let's see. I just feel like preparing something new. I just want to try it out. I think it's not hard. It's just the combination of peppers and all that. So yeah, that will be it. See you guys later. Bye. you guys, today is another day, and like you guys, I'm taking down this hair after loosening this hair and washing it. I just decided to take it down. Like, if you watch my previous video, you see where I was saying that I just feel like taking down this hair because I'm tired. Look at my front hair, just look at. So I just want to go on a low cut. I want to go on a low cut. So let's see how it goes. This is the amount of hair I took off. The hair is breaking. Where's my comb? Okay. The hair is breaking. It's not growing. We are done, guys. Like, we are done. We're taking it off. The only problem I have with this hair is just this here. That's the only problem I have.
Thank you.